Rasheed has a fun day planned this afternoon. His friends Leo and Steve are coming to visit, and look, they're already here. Make sure you stay far enough apart now. The three pandas want to know how to organize themselves from shortest to tallest. To figure this out, let's take a look at the whiteboard. So we've got three lines here on the whiteboard, from shortest to tallest, and that's how I put them. So the green line there, the green line is the shortest, you can see it's the smallest, and the one in the middle is red, and then the tallest is the purple one. So right now they're ordered from shortest to tallest. But sometimes they're not nice and in order like that, like the ones I have here now. So I rearranged them a little bit, and now they're out of order. So the red one here is the shortest, and we see that one's the biggest, the green one, so that's the tallest, and then the purple one is kind of in the middle. So we have the shortest there, and let me grab a marker. I'm going to grab a marker, and I'm going to write some numbers underneath. So I'm going to write the number 1 under that one because it's the shortest. I'm going to write the number 2 there because it's in the middle, and I'm going to write the number 3 there because it's the tallest. And now I have shortest to tallest. I have red as the shortest, purple's in the middle, green's tallest. And here we have the three panda friends from shortest to tallest. I got Steve first because he's the shortest. I've got Rasheed in the middle because he's a little bit taller than Steve. So there's Steve, and then shorter than Rasheed. And then they're both a lot shorter than Leo, so Leo's the tallest. So that's why Leo's at the end. Let me push them a little bit closer together so you can see a little better. And there we go, shortest to tallest. Steve, Rasheed, and then Leo. But now what if I wanted to do tallest to shortest? How could I do that? Back to the whiteboard, here I have them. I have purple's the tallest. I have that first. So tallest to shortest, that should say tallest, not longest. Tallest to shortest. Purple's the tallest, so I'll put that first. Then we got the red in the middle, and then green's the shortest, so at the end. So it's going tallest to shortest. But again, I don't always have them looking nice and in order like that, so now I'm going to put some numbers underneath. So tallest to shortest, well then number 1 is going to be purple because it's the tallest. And then green's going to be number 2 because it's in the middle. And then number 3 will be red because it's the shortest. That's going from tallest to shortest right there. And you can see that we have our panda friends put in order from tallest to shortest now. We've got Leo here, he's first because he's tallest. Then we got Rasheed in the middle. And then the shortest is Steve, so we got Steve at the end. So tallest to shortest. We can also figure it out when they're not in the same room next to each other. So here Leo's playing some guitar, and I want to see if he's taller than somebody. So I'm going to bring in, I've got some blocks here, and I'm going to put the blocks next to him, and I can see that he's bigger than that stack of blocks that I have there while he's playing the guitar. He's taller than that stack of blocks. He's a lot taller than that stack of blocks, actually. But now, if I've got Steve playing PlayStation in the other room, and I put that stack of blocks next to him, well, I see that he's a lot shorter than that stack of blocks. He's shorter than the stack of blocks. So if he's shorter than the stack of blocks, but Leo's taller than the stack of blocks, then I know that Leo is going to be taller than Steve, just because he's bigger than the blocks, and Steve is shorter than the blocks. So now we're going to go the other way, and I see over here we've got Rasheed and the Red Power Ranger playing around on the merry-go-round. So I'm going to stop the merry-go-round for a second, and you can see that Rasheed is shorter than the Red Power Ranger. But a little bit later in the day, when the Red Power Ranger is reading a book with Leo, I can see that Leo's taller than the Red Power Ranger. Leo's taller than the Red Ranger. So if Rasheed is shorter than the Red Ranger, and Leo's taller than the Red Ranger, I know that Rasheed is shorter than Leo. So now we know how to put stuff in order from shortest to tallest and tallest to shortest, and we know how to use an object to measure whether something's taller or shorter than something else. But now our panda friends are staring at us because they want to stop doing math. They want to go play some games, so we're going to let them go do that.